So it was a bright sunny afternoon. Back again at the garage. I forgot to remove the plugs, so I had to remove them so that I can ensure that the oxygen sensor is working perfectly. So that is something that you should remember to do. So anytime you remove it, remember, you should remove plugs after you change the oxygen sensor. So we also decided to replace the gearbox oil. So we're going to remove the bottom sump guard. And then there's a cork that will identify the bottom, which we're going to open up so that we can change the gearbox oil, because it's already over 300,000 kilometers. I think that's the only thing that we're doing today. Then we'll go for a test drive. So there is our mechanic who's doing the job. My work is just now to sit down and enjoy the weather. Sasa koki iko hii side. So that is a gearbox oil fluid. So you can see the basin was not for bathing. Kama ulikuwa unataka kuoga. Yeah. Besheni ilikuwa ya kuoga. Asa mtu wetu ilibidi atoe mguu sababu kufika pale ni kazi. Accessing it was difficult. So that is the cork that is normally which one? Let me show you that one. It is the cork that is normally opened. And you use an key. Inaitwaje? Kuna pahali inakuwa imeandikwa? So I think trying to see where it is been written. The next thing now is to put the oil. So we're going to use this to put the oil. And it goes all the way down. So we're going to use ATF D2. that is 4 liters of oil.